I got 2,500 VERV token for free upon registration. Hello great people, so in this video I want us to talk about Verivault airdrop. I want to show you how you can make money from this airdrop upon registration and also after registration. If you look at my account here, I'm having $750 already, and because I got VERV token, which is under Ethereum blockchain, I got 2,500 VERV token for free upon registration, and the value of this 2,500 VERV token is actually $750. So how can you also get this VERV token for free? I will drop the link to register under the comment section of this video. Once you click on the link, you'll be able to download KWTCN Wallet. That is the wallet for this Verivault airdrop. You download the wallet and you register by clicking on create wallet, just like the way we normally register for other Web3 wallets like MetaMask, BitGet, Trust Wallet. You just have to copy your seed phrase and save it somewhere that you can access it in the future in case you want to log into the platform again anytime. So after you have done that, then you input my referral code. So after you have input the referral code I will drop under the comment section of this video, then you are going to get at least 2,500 VERV token. Just like the way I got my own here also, you also be credited with 2,500 VERV token. Then after you have registered and you feel like referring other people to this platform also, just come here, you click on the invite here. I click on the invite. Then you can copy your invitation code from this place by clicking on this rectangular icon here. And once you refer anybody to this platform, for your first level, you'll be getting 8% bonus, which is 400 VERV token, and that is around $120. And for the second level, you'll be getting 7% bonus, which is 350 VERV, and that is around $105. And for the third level, you'll be getting 5%, which is 250 VERV token, and that is around $75. VERV token is under Ethereum blockchain. So just in case you want to earn more on this platform and you want to get involved in staking, just come here, you click on VVS here, you click on this VVS, I click on it. Then this is the amount that you can stake, maybe under Ethereum blockchain or under Tron blockchain. So for this, you can save from $10 and above, and you'll be earning between 6% to 12%. And this goes for like 5 days profit cycle. And the same thing also under the Tron network. Let me click on the Tron here. You can stake for Tron from 100 ton and above for 5 days cycle, or also USDT, that is minimum of $10 and above for 5 days cycle, and you'll be earning 6% to 12% on your staked amount. And guess what guys, if any of your referral also perform in this staking, you'll be earning commission of 8% on first level and 7% on second level and 5% on the third level. So guys, another way to earn on this platform is by you performing the task here. Just come to the task here, let me click on it. I click on the task here, then you can see join the Telegram and earn 200 VERV token for free. So it is important also for you to join the Telegram channel so you can be getting quick updates about this project. Let me click on join here. So once you have joined the channel, then you just come here and you upload the proof that you have joined the channel. Just upload the proof that you have joined the channel. You can also see subscribe to our X. You also get 200 VERV for this one. Also to YouTube, you get 200 VERV for this one also. So guys, this is Verivault chain website. And here you can see leading the world, links to real assets. Verivault chain is committed to becoming the world's preferred decentralized real-world asset on-chain ecosystem, bridging the last mile between real asset and digital finance and realizing asset globalization, efficiency, and inclusion. And this is the official white paper of Verivault chain. And it is also worthy to note that Verivault chain also have MSB certificate. So let's check the white paper. As you can see here, development and evolution of the RWA market. Let's check the last paragraph here. Here they are saying from 2017 to 2025, the RWA market has evolved from inception to explosive growth, reaching maturity driven by regulations, institutional participation, and technological advancements. Verivault chain emerged at this historic juncture, aiming to seize this opportunity by offering a comprehensive one-stop solution for compliant asset tokenization and cross-chain trading, thus leading the next wave of the RWA industry revolution. So guys, I have been able to show you how to register for this Verivault chain airdrop, how to get over 2,500 VERV for free upon registration, and also how to add more by performing the task, and also if you like to stake, how you can perform staking on this platform as well. So guys, that's all the information you need about this project for now. And if there is any further updates about this project, I will communicate to you from this channel. Alright guys, thanks for watching and let us meet in my next video.